La Flambee des Couleurs. Just steps away from downtown Magog is an area of woods, marsh and bog that comprise an impressive biodiverse network of paths called the Marais de la Riviere aux Cerises. Wooden footbridges, boardwalks and forest trails wind through a variety of terrain, each offering its own special natural beauty. This is a birder's haven. Though each season blooms in a unique way, fall is an especially scenic time to visit. Be advised there is not much shade, so prepare yourself with a hat, sunscreen or an umbrella when you visit on sunny days. Parking is free every day on either end of the trail, as is the small but informative interpretive center and gift shop. The trail is about 3 kilometers and can be accessed from either end or done in conjunction with part of the Trail Verte, which makes for a longer, 5.5 kilometer walk. Another option is to bring your kayak or rent one from nearby Ville de Plan.